Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and today's quick video is just on a couple things that I was checking out while I was getting some other things set up. I received my Baker Creek catalog in the mail today. That's always exciting. That lets me get hyped for the spring. You know, it's for me, it's like 4 or 5 months away before I can actually start planting stuff. I also wanted to show off my. This is a bag. This is a gallon Ziploc bag, and you can see on this side it's all zinnia seeds, and then over here, which I haven't pulled out these yet because I got tired. I sat down one day and I spent like 4 hours pulling the seeds out of all these flowers that I had, because I had so many marigold flowers. So you can see that this side, these are all marigolds. This is a good, about at least a half a pound bag, gallon Ziploc bag full of seeds. So I am not wanting for marigold seeds next spring. I'm going to plant up quite a few of them. But yeah, this literally came from one plant. I planted a few marigolds in my seed starting, my Air Garden Sprout seed starting tray, and I put them out in the spring, and then we had a freak cold snap, and it killed most of them. And the one plant that survived and just went crazy, these are all the seeds that came from it. So literally one seed turned into all these. The zinnia I cannot explain because I didn't plant zinnias. Bird must have dropped a seed in my front garden, which was dying, and so nature, the universe, took pity upon me and dropped some zinnia seeds for me, and that became a thriving plant. And so I've got tons of zinnia seeds for next season. And this, if people recall, I had that grocery bag full of basil, and I haven't properly cleaned these yet, but at least half of this is basil seeds, because I spent the good portion of several hours picking all of these off. So you can see there's still a lot of, it doesn't want to focus, you can see there's still a lot of the basil leaves that are kind of ground up in here. But if you look closely, if I can get them to kind of appear at the bottom here, they are little black seeds. It's kind of hard to show, but it's a little better. Anyway, all throughout here, I don't know if I can do it over the light. That might be a good idea. Give that a try. Put my precious Baker Creek catalog away for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see all the black. Those are all basil seeds. So you can see there's a ton in there. And in the springtime, because I don't want to do it inside, in the springtime, I can put them all, I can either just, it won't hurt anything. I can just throw handfuls, because there's tons of basil seeds interspersed throughout. I can throw them, with the little leaf bits that are still left. I can throw that all, into the soil and grow plenty of basil, or I can blow the leaves and stuff, which is called the chaff, away, and then the seeds remain. And I'll have I did by hand go through. I'm not sure if I have it available. Let me pause. I'll show it. I actually collected a bag, a little baggie worth of just the pure basil seeds. Be right back. All right, I'm back. So these are all of the basil seeds, and I still didn't do a perfectly good job because, I was doing this inside, and so I don't want to blow everything all over the place. But this is I can easily pick these out to, individually, and put them in like my AeroGarden or something, and grow more basil. So this was kind of picked out just by my fingers, black seeds from a collection that was, on a paper plate like this. Again, I just spread it out and I look for the black basil seeds. They're very tiny. I plucked them out. I stuck them in the bag. It was very painstaking work inside. Again, this was something I should have did in the fall, but I'm chaotic and I was busy with other things. And there you have it. But yeah, so that's one thing I wanted to show off is that people saw that big grocery store bag full of basil flowers, and once I stripped them off the stems, this is what I had left. And I also put these all through a sieve so that the big stems and stuff were left in the sieve, and this is what was remaining. And again, all these right here are basil seeds. All the black things are basil seeds. So there you go. All right. Hopefully that was interesting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.